So this is 6 hours of putting an M8 Softail pump into an FXR tank, chopped down into 3 minutes. I first made a template on some poster board, just so I know the inside and outside dimensions. I removed the OEM fuel sending unit, flipped it over and put some tape down, and we're in trace the outside dimension. I used a template for the inside lines and then drilled some holes so I knew my safety zone. This tool is $25 from Harbor Freight. Highly recommend it. Made life super easy. Take a die grinder and just clean up the opening and stuff. We got this safety area where we're working. Just test fitting, massaging the metal. Make sure we go slow so we don't make the opening too big. We want it to be a very nice snug fit, so just easier to weld. Once you're happy with the fit, clean up around it so you have nice clean metal to weld to. I'm using silicon bronze to weld this together since the fuel pump plate from Speed Junkies is very thick and the tank metal is super thin. Silicon bronze is the go-to on this. Just cleaning up the welds, making sure that everything looks good, there's no cracks or porosity. Going back and just touching up some spots. You want to make sure it doesn't leak. Cleaning it up. File. There's lots of filing. And flipped it over to address this fuel sending unit. Drilling out the rivet to hold the rheostat on so I could cut it. And then I flipped it to the other side, welded it back together because this needs to sit on the right side of the fuel tank now since there's a fuel pump on the left side. Throwing in the vise to bend the arm the other direction. Smack it with a hammer just cuz. And bolting it back together since we drilled the rivets out earlier. Make sure you Loctite these. Putting the float back on and bending the rod. That's it. There is a M8 Softail fuel pump in FXR tank and a Thunder Max. Just waiting for the plug to show up to verify that it fits and the clearance is good. Thanks for watching.